Welcome sisters, and maybe a couple of brothers in here. I don't know, but anyway, I want to thank you guys for coming, and this is the end of week 13. Now it's not an unlucky number. I'm so happy because I haven't lasted this long, and I couldn't tell you how long it's been. But anyway, I just wanted to stop by, give my weekly tip or progress or whatever. Now it's not time. I got, let's see, I think 3 more weeks before I will weigh myself again, and with Thanksgiving being within them 3 weeks, I don't know. If I maintain, I'll be happy. But anyway, I'm just feeling so good. Um, Energy level is getting higher. Everything's working out well. I'm no pressure on myself. Whatever it is, it is. I'm just trying to weekly stay in tune with myself. Keep eating properly within my window, and just stay motivated. And the thing that I found hard though is, one, drinking enough water, and two, being consistent with my exercise. I will exercise maybe 2 3 days a week instead of the 5 to 6 that I set as a goal. So this week I'm talking about setting goals, staying true to the plan. Sometimes it's easy, we get all caught up, we over here, we over there, we trying to this, we trying to that. It can be done, and it's all according to your mindset. What are you doing now? With me, I kind of lost that a little bit. I was like, well, we're doing this for a year. It's gonna be a change in my lifestyle, blah blah blah. Okay, that's all good. And like I told you, I do not want this to be a program where you're feeling under pressure, and which is going to trigger you and make you go right back to the habits that got you here in the first place. So what I'm doing to get back motivated, I am taking a picture of a swimsuit that I like. I'm gonna do a 2 piece and a 1 piece, and basically next year is my 61st birthday in June. And our whole thing was going is about in June the year. So basically I am setting a goal for myself. One, I'm going to go to Costa Rica for my birthday, and two, I'm wearing one of them suits, and preferably the bikini, the 2 piece. Girlfriend is gonna get this extra truck 18-wheeler tire I got around my stomach. I'm getting rid of it. I am getting rid of it because girlfriend is gonna be in that 2 piece, honey, if it kills me. Now, even if I still got some hanging there a little bit, I'ma still put it on. Cause y'all know, you have seen, I done seen some folks in some bikinis, baby, that didn't give a damn, and I don't blame them. Money is yours. If you want to show it and put it out there, hey, it's on you. Okay, now I'm not gonna be inappropriate. I'm not gonna have, boobies and falling out the suit, along with other stuff. But I am determined and have renewed my commitment to losing my tire and getting in that 2 piece, honey. If it's gonna kill me, because baby, when I go to Costa Rica, it ain't never gonna be the same. So that's what you got to look at. So ladies, let's get on it. Let's get back motivated, or maintain your motivation. I can't speak for everybody. There's some of y'all out there doing it, honey, and that's what we need. We need to keep encouraging one another and being positive. And I really hope that you're enjoying all the posts that I've been making in terms of new exercises, in terms of foods that I've found, and please check the Mind and Soul section too to look at. There are some great videos on there to help you stay motivated and to get you in the right mindset, because we prepared for this group by getting in the right mindset and doing what we had to do to prepare our daily routine to incorporate all of these new skills that we're learning in terms of our weight release. However, this is more than that. This is about us setting goals, not only physically, but mentally, emotionally, all the way around. Because until you get all that in balance, it all fall apart. If you don't have self-esteem, it's going to be very hard for you to stay motivated and to reach your weight release goals. That's why I am doing a whole segment on self-esteem. The next thing, your physical attractiveness, your physical beauty. If you don't love yourself and feel beautiful, okay, you don't have to wait to some nebulous number or weight or dress size. You can feel beautiful and be beautiful today. And that works into your whole plan where you feel happier and you will be more successful. Because let's face it, honey, just because you skinny don't mean you cute. Y'all already know. And vice versa. Okay, so it's about feeling that beauty and exuding that beauty. And that beauty and confidence is what's going to get you through and what's going to get you in attention. A lot of people think they get more attention just because they release some pounds and they're smaller. No. What it comes from is the fact that you have this confidence and this belief in yourself and a love for yourself that comes out. That's why a lot of people can't even believe, like with me. Now, I am trying to release some weight. However, I feel that I am the shit now. You got to. And a lot of people are like, how did you get him? Blah, blah, blah. Well, since we always want to compare who we are to what kind of man you got or don't have, ladies, it's about beauty inside. It's about confidence. That's what a true man will see and be attracted to. So that's how I've gotten some pretty fine brothers. Okay, because I had that confidence, I had that belief in myself. That's what gets you the attention. Not just it's a bunch of small women. That's not it. It's your personality, it's the confidence you have. That's why a lot of thick sisters get who they get, because men are attracted to that. No man wants some little clinging vine. And, oh, honey. They may if they not together, but a true confident, fine, together man, that's what he wants in his woman. Okay? So don't forget that. And like I said, get your confidence, get your beauty popping, and everything else is going to be popping. So that is it for this week. So we've completed week 13, ladies. We doing the damn thing, and let's keep it going. So now what I'm going to do for this week coming up is deal with setting my goals. Like I said, I'm going to get that pictures of those swimsuits and put them right there on my refrigerator. And girlfriend going to look at them every day. And I'm going ready to get totally motivated. Because it's what do you want? You just got to decide in your life what you want. Period. With everything. Do you want a house? Do you want a new car? Do you want a new job? Do you want to move out of state? Do you want to do... anything that you put your mind to, sis, you can do. It's just a decision. It's just a few seconds that you make a decision and then you stick to it and come up with your plan. So that's what I'm doing right now. I got to come up with a plan to save the money so I can buy that ticket to Costa Rica. I already got my passport, thank God. And I'm going to get in that swimming suit if it kills me. So that's where we at. So set them goals, put it in your journal. If you haven't gotten a journal yet, please go check out the links that I have and go get your journal and write that stuff down and write your weekly goals and see. And that really helps. I haven't been journaling as much as I should either. And I can tell you that makes a big difference to journal. It also makes a big difference to get your sleep. It also makes a difference. I've been using these videos I got that are in our group off YouTube that is kind of like affirmations, like subliminally. Also things to help you stick with your diet. And I have really found using those when I sleep at night really affects in a positive way how that need to I just want something even though I'm not hungry. I just gotta put something in my mouth. You all know it's gone. I can honestly say those videos have truly helped me get beyond. I am having such a different relationship with food at this point. That's how I know this is why I'm being successful. Because food is not my friend like it used to be. Food is something I enjoy. Food is something that I love to cook. Food is something that I love to share with other people. Food is energy for my body. It's not a replacement for other things. And once you break that need or addiction, okay, a lot is gonna change. A lot of things come better. A lot. I do not even buy snacks anymore. I don't even have none in the house. No chips. That was my thing. Always my thing was potato chips. That was I didn't care about none. I didn't care about cookies, candy and ice cream and all that. Potato chips. So if you find out what your trigger is, work on it and find an alternative. Now, sometimes I still just got to have something crunchy and salty. And what I do is get pork rinds. Okay, they're all protein. There's no carbs. I can eat a little bit of that and get that thing out of my mouth and then go right back to what I was doing. I just don't have the need to snack anymore like I used to. So y'all keep it together. Get it together this week. Please post in the group if you have any questions, if you need a prayer partner or somebody to encourage you or whatever. Put it in there. That's what this group is for. Let's do this. And I will see you guys next Saturday. And also always look this week. I'm going back. I'm alternating weeks between beauty video and a self-esteem video. And I believe this week is self-esteem. So come check in the group on Wednesdays for the posting of the new video. Okay? Thank you and have a great week.